Chapter 8, Case 3, Aloha Properties. Record business transactions in chronological order for the month of February 2014. After recording the transactions, create and print the following. The first is a standard balance sheet, and that is done by going to Reports, Company and Financial, Balance Sheet Standard, and you change the date. Customize the report, go to header and footer, unselect date, prepared, time prepared, report basis, add your name to the extra footer line, click OK, and memorize under your name, and then click OK. The next report is a profit and loss standard. That is done by going to Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss, and then changing the date. Go to Customize Report, go to Header and Footer, unselect date prepared, time prepared, report basis, add your name to the extra footer line, hit OK, and memorize your name, click OK. And the next report is a statement of cash flows. That is done by going to Reports, Company and Financial, Statement of Cash Flows, and changing the date up here. Customize the report, unselect date prepared, time prepared, add your name to the extra footer line, and memorize. And lastly, the transaction list by date is done by going to Reports, Accountant and Taxes, Transaction List by Date. You change the date up here, customize the report, go to header and footer, unselect date prepared and time prepared, and add your name to the extra footer line, and click OK, and memorize, and select your name, then click OK, and that is how you do Chapter 8, Case Problem 3.